Hello skaters! In today's video, we are continuing our series of step sequences for beginners. This time, we'll be working on a fun and dynamic sequence that includes forward inside 3 turns, various steps, and different hops. We'll take each element apart, practice it in detail, and then combine everything into a smooth step sequence that is ready to use in your programs. We will start with forward inside 3 turns, alternating feet while moving along half circles across the ice. Push into a forward inside edge and rotate your shoulders slightly into the circle. Bend your skating knee and extend your free leg behind you. As you reach the top of the circle, slightly straighten your skating leg to prepare for the turn. During the 3 turn, your hips turn one way while your shoulders rotate the other way at the same time. Keep your free leg extended behind you after the turn for better balance and flow. Right after the 3 turn, step into a forward outside edge, then go straight into a forward crossover. Cross with the other leg, glide on a forward inside edge, and then switch feet to begin the next 3 turn from the opposite side. Make sure that during each transition, you are bringing your feet closer together and bending your knees and ankles to create a smoother and more powerful movement across the ice. Our next exercise will be the Mazurka jump. We are going to practice it by skating around the circle, focusing on one side at a time. Start with a forward inside Mohawk. After the Mohawk, do one backward crossover, then push into a backward outside edge. Glide on that edge, reach back with your free leg, and prepare for the jump with a cross leg scissor action. Hop from the toe of one foot and land on the toe of the other foot, immediately pushing into a forward outside edge. Repeat this sequence multiple times, focusing on controlling your upper body, keeping it turned outside of the circle, and only turning your hips during the jump. Then repeat the entire exercise in the opposite direction, working on a counter twist between your shoulders and hips during the jump. For more in-depth tutorials and detailed step-by-step instruction, be sure to check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website styleskating.com. It's perfect for skaters who want to build strong fundamentals from the ground up and for advanced skaters who want to polish their skating skills. In my structured lessons, you will learn the fundamentals, including balance, basic skating techniques, and essential moves. I will guide you through each step, ensuring a safe and enjoyable learning environment. By the end of the course, you will not only be able to perform basic maneuvers, but will also have the foundation to continue your figure skating journey. For more details, look in the description below or visit my website today. Moving on to the next part of our step sequence, the forward outside to forward inside change of edge. Start by extending your free leg behind you, then swing it through along your axis and bring it back as you change circles and switch to the new edge. Bend your skating leg as you push, slightly straighten it as you swing through, and then bend again after the change of edge to stay balanced and controlled. Next, we will practice the 4-step forward inside Mohawk on a circle. Focus on extending your free leg every time you lift it off the ice, and keep your skating leg bent with your shoulders and hips aligned after each step. Start on a forward inside edge, step onto a back inside edge, push into a backward outside edge, and then shift your weight onto the other foot into a forward outside edge. Repeat the sequence multiple times and don't forget to practice it in both directions. Moving on to our next exercise, the bunny hop. In this sequence, we'll perform the bunny hop from an outside to inside edge, changing circles during the jump. Start by pushing into a forward outside edge, bend your skating leg and extend your free leg behind you. As you complete half of the circle, swing your free leg forward, bend the knee, lift your hip, and execute the bunny hop. Land on the toe of the opposite foot from the takeoff and immediately push and glide on the same foot, Now on a different circle, riding on a forward inside edge. Then switch to the other foot, pushing again into a forward outside edge, swinging the free leg through, jumping on the axis and landing into the opposite circle on a forward inside edge with your free leg extended behind you. Be sure to control your upper body and avoid excessive swinging with your arms to maintain flow and balance throughout the sequence. Our next exercise is forward perimeter crossovers with 1-foot transitions, skating around the ring. Start your crossover at the top of the half circle. After completing the forward crossover, step into a forward inside edge glide on 1 foot as you move into the next circle. Then begin your crossover in the opposite direction and again finish with a forward inside 1-foot glide. Make sure to twist your shoulders into the circle when doing the forward crossovers. Keep your knees and ankles bent and extend your free leg after each push and to gain more power and control. The next exercise is the rotational toe step. We'll begin from a backward outside edge. Reach your free leg back as if preparing for a lats jump. Then tap the toe to start the toe steps. Continue with toe steps on the second circle. After completing the toe step, glide on a backward inside edge, then push into a backward outside edge to finish that half circle. At the axis, reach back and tap again to start a new circle with toe steps. Alternate both feet and direction as you repeat the sequence. Try to go up during the toe steps and sink down into your knees on the pushes. Keep rotating your upper body outside the circle before the toe steps and initiate each toe step by turning your shoulders outward to build momentum. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Also be sure to check out the description below for details about my YouTube membership options, where you can reach out to me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on demand featuring the skating exercises of your choice. Now it's time to repeat all parts of our step sequence, and we are ready to put everything together. We'll do the sequence in both directions, starting first with the right forward inside 3 turn, followed by a left Mazurka jump. Next, glide on a forward outside edge on the left foot, swing your right leg through, and change edge into a forward inside edge to begin a new circle with a left forward inside Mohawk. After the Mohawk, glide on a backward outside edge on the left leg, then step forward onto the right forward outside edge, followed by a bunny hop from the right leg. At the axis, start a new circle with a forward inside edge after the bunny hop. Then start your forward crossover on the left forward outside edge, crossing over with right forward inside edge. On the axis, change your circle and begin a left forward inside 3 turn. Next, go into rotational toe step. Then cross over with the left leg, glide on a backward inside edge, and step into the next circle on a forward outside edge on the right leg. Cross behind and finish with a left forward inside edge, twisting your upper body into the circle, extending your free leg and turning it out with your toe pointed in front of you for a clean, expressive finish. Now we are going to do the same step sequence in the opposite direction, starting with a left forward inside 3 turn, followed by a right Mazurka jump on the first half circle. Next, glide on a forward outside edge and at the axis switch to a forward inside edge by swinging your free leg through. Start a new circle with a right forward inside Mohawk, then step into backward outside edge on the right foot. Finish that section with a backward outside to forward outside Mohawk and glide on a left forward outside edge, completing the half circle with a left bunny hop, transitioning from a forward outside to a forward inside edge into the next circle. Then start your forward crossovers, right forward outside into left forward inside. On the axis, begin a new circle with a right forward inside 3 turn. From there, reach back on the outside edge and go into the toe steps to the right. Finish with a crossover, glide on the backward inside edge, then step into the next circle on the left forward outside edge. Cross behind with your right foot and finish the sequence on the right forward inside edge, twisting your upper body into the circle and extending your free leg in front with a pointed toe. You have now learned and practiced a full beginner-friendly step sequence with turns, hops, and edge transitions in both directions. Remember, mastering step sequences takes time, so keep practicing each element slowly and with control before putting it all together. This sequence is not only a great addition to your program, but also helps build edge quality, rhythm, and coordination on the ice. Thank you for watching today. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video.